Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shipman News. This is our today article. Supreme Court worry of denotifying works by users land, raising questions. Some of the amendments which came under the spotlight in the Supreme Court hearing, inclusion of non-Muslim member to the Central Works Council and State Works Board, insert, incertain of inheritance rights in works alal oled. This alters the principle that dedications of works is absolute. Many of these works were created hundreds of years ago. Where do you find the records? Kapil Sibal, advocate for the petitioners. If a Muslim wanted to do charity, he could come out of the works fold to perform his benevolence. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India. Denotifying of works by Ashar property would lead to a huge problem. Many of the masjids were constructed in the 14th and 15th and 16th century. Asking them to produce a sale need now is an impossibility. Sanjeev Khanna, Chief Justice of India. Rajiv Khanna, hearing around 100 petitions over the Works Act, proposes a three-point interim order to balance equities. Court adjourns hearing without passing any interim order. Petitioner questions provisions in the 2025 Act which mandated a person to prove he had been practicing Muslim for 50 years before dedicating his property as works. Krishna Das Rajagopal, New Delhi. The Supreme Court on Wednesday questioned provisions of the Works Amendment Act 2025, which de-recognized the established works by a user category of property, allowed non-Muslim into works administrative body, and granted the state power to determine if a property was works or government. During the 2 hours hearing of around 100 petitions in a packed courtroom, Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna, heading a three-judge bench, went to propose a three-point interim order to balance equities on all sides in the case. 3 point. First, he suggested that the property already declared works by court need not for the time being be denotified or treated as non-works property. This it would include property categorized as works by a user or works by long uses without formal documentation or registration, works by declaration or otherwise. Second, the Chief Justice mooted that the designated government officer could continue to look into whether a property was works or government, but a connected proviso freezing the use of the property in the meanwhile as works could be stayed. Third, the Chief Justice Khanna moved giving the go-ahead to the appointment of non-Muslim as ex officio member in the Central Works Council and Works Board, provided the other member were Muslim. However, the government stayed the passing of any interim order, seeking more time to argue. The case was adjourned to 2 p.m. on Thursday without an interim order or is assurance of notice to the center. The Chief Justice said the court would not normally intervene with legislation passed by Parliament, but there were exceptions. The CGI voiced concern that denotification of works by user property would lead to a huge problem. Before the Britishers came, we did not have land registration law or transfer of property act. Many of these masjids was constructed in the 14th, 15th, and 17th century. Asking them to produce a registered sale needs now is an impossibility, like in the case of Jama Masjid, which is works by other property. If you had established works by other in the versions of the Works Act prior to the 2025 Amendment Act, can it be made void now? Chief Justice Khanna asked Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was representing the union government. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal for the petitioner said, who was the state to say I cannot be a works by other? Many of these works works were created hundreds of years ago. Where do you find the record? Senior Advocate A.M. Singh, we also for the petitioner, said 4 out of 8 lakh works were works by other property. How to register? Mr. Mehta said these property could be registered, but the CGI asked how the government intended to register works by others. There would be no document. The petitioners question a provisions in the 2025 Act which mandated a person to prove he had been a practicing Muslim for 5 years before dedicating his property as waqf. This clause, they said, was a violation of Article 26, the right to form and maintain institutions for religious and charitable intent of the Constitution. In short, I have to prove to the state that I am a good Muslim, Mr. Sibbal said. Mr. Mehta said if a Muslim wanted to do charity, he could come out of the Waqf fold and perform his benevolence. Senior Advocate Rajiv Dhawan said the basis of the petitioner's attack was that a Waqf was essential to Islam. Charity is an essential practice of Islam. The act triggered a loss of control of our religion in favor of the state, he submitted. Justice K.V. Vishwanathan asked when Hindu religious endowment were controlled by Hindu, could a law allow person from other religions to govern works administrative body? Mr. Mehta objected to petitioner, arguing that the center had us- usurped, usurped the Central Works Council. CI can also refer to the communal violence in West Bengal over the act as very disturbing. This is our now we start our daily English session practice. K. Subramanian Supendra, my next door neighbor's brother was assassinated yesterday. Assassinated was he someone's important? No, he was just a well. If he was not important, then he was probably murdered, not assassinated. What's the difference between the two words? When people like you and me get killed, that's not very funny. Don't get so worked up. It is just an example, as I was saying. When people like you and me get killed by someone, it's called murder. When an important person get killed, it is called assassination. For example, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. Indira Gandhi and Kennedy were assassinated too. Were not they? Yes, they were important people are killed for political or religious reason. It is called assassination. But tell me, why was the neighbor's brother murdered? No one seems to know. He was going to home after work. You don't say going to home. You go to school. You go to prison, but you don't go to home. I suppose that's right. You go home. The words home does not take two before it. What happen if we use house instead of home? Well, in that case, you say he was going to his house or I am going to my house. Let's continue with our story, shall we? Okay, we had going home when somebody stabbed him. They took him to the hospital and put him in the intensive care unit. I mean, the intensive care unit. An hour later, the poor man died. Sound like a terrible way to die. I know. Tell me, is there a difference between intense and intensive? There most certainly is. Intensive means strong, vigorous, unusually firm. For example, because of the intense heat, Bala Gopal did not sleep well. Can I say Prabhakar is an intense sort of person? You can. The word intensive, on the other hand, means concentrated. My sister is preparing intensively for the final exam. Can I say that? I suppose you could, but that does not sound like your sister. Is she really working hard? Hardly working, I would say. That sentence was just an example. Well, in that case, here is another example. I am planning to take an intensive course in Japanese. Why Japanese? Why not take an intensive course in Spanish? Because the person teaching Spanish is too intensive for my liking. Published in on March 5, 1986. Acclaimed Colombian author Gabriel Garcia Marquez died on April 17, 2014. Here is a quiz on literacy. Literary magician Vignesh P. Venkatesh made this quiz. Name the style of narration attributed to Marquez. Question number 2. Name the Peruvian author who died this week, who had an alteraction and Marcus and ended up purchasing him in the face. Question number 3. What does EL universals mean the respect to Marcus? Question number 4. Name the birthplace of Marcus which have him the inspiration for many of these fictional towns. Question number 5. Name the autobiography of Marcus. Visual question. This is still from recently released Netflix adaptations of Marcus novel. Name the novel. Question answer to the previous quiz. Cherry Chaplin's most memorable on-screen character, the Tramp. Chaplin's first feature-length film, The Kids. Chaplin was given a social trophy for visibility and genuine acting, writing, directing, and producing The Circus. The celebrating writer accused Charlie as being the secret communist George Orwell. This actor played Chaplin's 1992 directed by Richard Attenborough, Robert Downey Jr. Identify this 1948 film, The Great Dictator. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more updated and more videos. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.